be connected with our partner. The man sent her away and leading her into massive 90-degree hip twist. Then we did section number 2 where we changed places and actually finished here in a close hold. Now from here, what is the idea of the steps? So here, the man tries to rotate this couple as much as he can and send the girl into opening out position with a beautiful handhold like in Paso Doble. Then he will replace her weight here and actually hip twist girl into 90-degree position, finishing in very massive, very beautiful hold here. So this will be a section number 3. So let's take it from the end of section number 2. So here we have opening out with the overturned a little bit step, replace into 90-degree hip twist across. Let's take a look from reverse angle. Let's go from here, section number 3. Excellent. And 2 and 3, 4, 1. Excellent. So let's take a look closely to the female steps. So the girls, you finish diagonally forward here in this position. So here you have to really strongly activate your shoulder rotation, collect your foot, and try to step diagonally back. Count 2 this way. Then you have your action to finish the step and replace forward 3. And already as you're stepping forward, you're going to start taking your shoulders around. Boom. To finish with a beautiful line, 90-degree step across with your shoulders as much as possible towards the man. So let's take a look at this one more time from here. Of course, your partner will help you to rotate, but actually you have to be able to charge those shoulders and swing yourself into the diagonal step. 2 and 3, 4, 1. And I strongly recommend for the girls to practice having this hand hold this way. And actually, as you do it, try to keep your hands in front of you towards imaginary partner this way. Always like this. Let's take a look at this section, reverse angle. Reverse angle. So it's from here. From here, so girls, you're diagonal. So we pivot ourselves going back 2, replace weight 30, finishing 4, 1, 90-degree hip twist. Excellent. So let's take a look at this in the couple again. And 2 and 3, 4, 1. Let's take a look at this from the reverse angle. 4, 1, and 2 and 3, 4, 1. And you can practice yourself, but if you're working on choreography, always have this arms imaginary partner with you. Okay, let's take a look closer on the men steps. So for the guys, you're going to be on your right leg. Now you have to really swing your shoulders a lot to send girl into her backward opening out step. Now from here, you will transfer your weight to the left leg. And now from here, for the guys, you transfer weight to the right leg and using your body to hip twist the girl. And now let's do exactly the same with the timing. So you go and 2 and 3, 4, 1, and. Let's do this step from reverse angle. One more time from here. And 2 and 3, 4, 1. Now, what secrets we got for you here? So number 1 secret is for the ladies. When the girls you're here in this position, to do that opening out in the correct way, you have to actually swing this leg as fast as possible back. So how to do it? Let's do slow-mo first. We turn our shoulders, we're pivoting, and now on the halfway as we pivot, the knee should almost get into this collect position, and then we pivot from here, and you send this leg like a bullet back as fast as you can. So the fast leg for the backward walk. So now let's do it a little bit faster and focus on that early leg swing. And 2. So number 1 secret, send your leg faster to the back. Let's take a look at this one, JJ. Faster leg, go, and 2, and. Excellent. So faster leg to send. Now the next secret for the girl, because when you're moving backward, the leg should be a little bit earlier to show that breathing and that pendulum openingness for the backward, every backward walk. So the leg should be a little bit earlier. Now, when you move forward, remember the principle. The body actually has to be early, like you want to have a little bit, almost like a dragging later, but arriving on time. So when you girls got here, for the next hip twist, try to charge your body early, but let your leg hang there a little bit and let it finish the step later like a crocodile tail. So for the opening out, shoot the leg as fast as you can. For the hip twist, keep your leg a little bit later. So here, go a little bit faster, and here, woo, a little bit like a crocodile tail, and of course, breathing at the end. No holding breath, and always releasing into bone. Okay, so practice these principles and this choreography and see you in the next section.